Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial which is about this simple cord. Actually, I saw this cord to another channel which I really like her channel, and hopefully soon we're gonna have a collaboration together, but I will let you know in the coming tutorials. So yeah, this tutorial is about cord which is made with two colors in the same time. Okay, so I need to use this cord for another project of mine, so that's why I wanted to make a tutorial about it. And it's a very fun cord, so I think you will like it as well. So if you want to crochet in the same time with two colors, so first let's just get the two colors and use them as one, and let's make a slip knot with both colors in the same time. Okay, so once you are doing a slip knot like this, you leave one of the colors and then you just pick the other one. So I can leave down the blue and pick the yellow, or vice versa, it's fine. I will just leave the yellow and pick up the blue. Okay, so I will keep with both two fingers the slip knot, and what I'm going to do is I will insert the hook from the back of the yellow color and bring it up like this in the same level with the other slip knot that we did. Okay, and then yarn under the blue yarn and pull through. Okay, so now I have just the blue yarn, the blue color. So I'm just going to do the same motion again. From the back, I will insert the hook at the yellow color and I will bring in the same height of the blue chain that we have here. Okay, and then I will yarn under the blue chain and pull through. So again, the same thing we're gonna do. So like this, from the back to the front of the yellow color, yarn under the blue color and pull through both of the colors in the same time. So it's going to be like this. So let's just keep doing the same from the back to the front, and then put them in the same level, yarn under and pull through. So you just do this and you have a cord that is worked with two colors in the same time. And I really like this cord because it's very useful for different projects where you need to use two colors, and it's very fast building up. So yeah, just work like this. So it's going to look like this. In one side you will have one color, on the side you will have another color, just like this. Yeah, I think it's a very fun project and it's very useful, and that's why I thought I could share it with you. So I hope you like this tutorial, and on your way out just give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, I hope you are considering to subscribe and check my Etsy shop for patterns, and also check my Instagram and Facebook for all my social media, where you can find updates that maybe I don't do here on YouTube. So yeah, with all these things being said, thank you for watching everybody, and see you soon with the next project.